In this video, I will show you how you can save output of variable in CSV file. Let's generate some sample data like x equal and let y equals sin x. And if we run this model, okay, you can see here x, and here x is a row matrix and y is also a row matrix. Here both x and y are row matrix. So if we want my output file where x and y is side by side, here I am taking a variable like output 1 equals here we have to transpose it because x and y both are row matrix. Okay, here x 1. Now if we run this and here you can see here the x and y are side by side. Now now we have to set the output variable as a CSV file to use function write matrix, and our variable name output 1, and finally the file name. Here I'm putting this file name .csv. Okay, now if we run this model, here's a file name .csv is created. Open outside MATLAB. Now here you can see here 100 values. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.